parents. So I just left CTT today, and I noticed that we were all talking about the same thing as far as our letters and letter sounds. And the one thing that I brought up that I thought was very important is that we are expecting parents to, you know, help assist us at home. Of course, we're the teachers, so we're teaching here, but you know, when the kids get home, we would like for you guys to help them. But as talking with all of our peers, we noticed that you guys don't know how to help, you know, and that's okay. Being an educator and being in pre-K and kinder, I have to learn a lot about phonemic awareness and phonological awareness and letters and letter sounds, because that is the basis of our children learning how to read. So with that being said, I'm going to go through our letter cards that we have, and I'm going to show you the movements that we do and also the letter and the letter sounds that we make. I come from the 90s. I'm a 90s child. So when I learn my letters, it sounds totally different from now. So me having that knowledge, I feel like you guys will have the same, like, you know, problems when trying to teach your kids their letters. So I'm going to go ahead and go through them very quickly. And if you guys have any comments, questions, or concerns, please feel free to reach out to me and let me know. O, octopus, ah, ah, ah. P, pan, p, p, p. I, itch, eh. Y, yellow, yee. T, top, t. M, man, F, fun, B, bat, B, B. Or we also do B, B. U, up, R, rat, D, dog, D, D, D. K, kite, K, K. And we also do K, K for kite. W, wind, A, apple, ah. E, ed, eh. L, lamp, ooh. S, snake, C, cat, N, nut, H, hat, Z, zebra, Z. G, game, G. Q, queen, J, jug, J. V, van, X, fox, X. All right. Like I said, if you have any comments, questions, or concerns, please let me know. And also, the ones that I did like this, that means we are snipping those sounds. So we don't want any schwas. We want to make sure we say D, B, G, J. Thank you.